Arvind,
Mm.
sorry, I couldn't hear a little bit earlier. I'm not sure if you asked what you might have said, but I tried to install a nifi and I had some issue. Could I show you maybe
Yeah,
at the end
I
of
mean,
this?
mm, yeah. Okay, I'm able to see.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, can you? Okay, I made you presenter, right? Yeah, you
Okay,
can.
okay. I didn't know if it cut or not, but yes, I'm sure. You can see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Yeah, so I'm having an issue. It seems that through the nifi properties, I tried to set it exactly as you had it. But I was having issues when starting because after I started it, it would say it would not be running, and then I started looking at the logs and such. But let me reset it to what I had
Okay,
before.
what error is coming here?
I think the latest one when I tried is that it's saying that your HTTPS is enabled, but then you might not have configured it. And right now, if you look up in the properties, I commented it out because I tried to do it by emptying it because when I had both of them running, I still had an issue where the server did start, but then after it would close by itself.
More
And
input stability is enabled, but port is not stable.
yes,
That is
so I think on line 150 plus, I currently commented it out to try an attempt because before it wasn't working either. But if you go down, actually, you see when you did it yesterday, you had these empty. But when I have them empty, which is line 151, 152, I would have a startup error when I boot NiFi up in the terminal.
port error is not coming, right? Port error is not coming. Which one?
Yes.
Yeah, so it is saying currently running, listening to the it's the on the port.
Yeah, and then when I check status later on, it's shut down. And when I look in the logs, it says that it essentially shut down because of a certain error. And yeah, I think in that case right now it wasn't already running, but
Now it is
uh
like the same.
yeah. Yeah, so I have it here. Um on this is my HTTP port. And yeah, I was getting this able to connect.
It is HTTP or HTTP.
Um uh I tried both. I tried localhost HTTP with this port and it didn't seem to work.
So let's see error first.
Sure.
The,
You can go to, I think on Notepad, you could reload it. The log should still be open.
it will be. Sometimes
Yeah,
it
and
takes. This is not an error. This is all fine.
mhm.
This is so far like it is not error. So we have to keep refreshing. So refreshing.
If you what I did before is if you check the status, it might have already canceled in this time. So sometimes it does start up properly, but then after a little bit it terminates by itself.
Okay, okay. So your port is 93.0.1 for HTTP.
Um, yes.
So
Yeah, excuse me, Arvind. This
mm,
is Manoj. So there is one student waiting. So can you add him in the call?
yeah, probably can you add it?
Yes, sorry, I see it now. I clicked it now. It should be work.
Have you allowed?
I'm checking the participants.
Mm.
Prithvi, he's in. He's in. I
He's
think
in?
it's
Okay.
Chandrakant. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it is saying remote input HTTP is enabled. It's the same error is coming. Last time you were saying, right? But
Yes, it's saying that it's like in the settings somehow I'm claiming that I'm trying to use it, even though right now I have it commented out. And I tried once in I
but
you see I put in my
why
comment.
it is saying this property is not found? 19. Yeah, this is okay. This is commented. See, it is, yeah, you add the value, but you have not uncommented, right? So how can it use it?
Yes, that was just a part of my debugging because when I had it uncommented, it still wasn't working. So we can uncomment it all here and restart, and it was still not working for me at the time.
And this port is 443 is a default port. Already
Yeah.
was there 443.
Yes, when I first got it, I think this portion is empty, and this portion I believe it has. I don't believe it had any value. It was not 808. But can I quickly remove all the comments here? I'll do that on my side.
Okay, now we have enabled it because it was complaining about this port is there, the property is there, but it's not specified. Okay, so
Okay,
now we have enabled it.
so we can save and restart.
Stop here to
Yeah.
be.
So I believe this combination I tried once before, but it didn't solve it.
In newer version could be some problem because
Yeah. I'm wondering if it's the version. I think that's 01. Yeah. I think you're missing a in local there. And also, is it HTTPS or is it just P in this case?
because but HTTP is a different one, right? We
Yeah. I also checked looking at if the port is available in the terminal, and both of these should be available. So I tried to check that. Other than that thing, people say check your firewall and such, but I'm not sure if that applies for us in this case yet.
even a new port, right? So that's not the problem.
And I think if I remember, when I check the log in this case, I'll still actually get the same error. So it'll still say that. Actually, no, the error now will be that you have like two definitions, right? And therefore, this one second, there's
In
something.
my case, The HTTPS I'm giving empty.
Yes, yeah, I tried that. But when I do that, I think I'm trying to remember. I think I have a bigger issue, which is that
If we keep
starting
it
nifi will fail, and then when I check the status, it will say that it's not started. But maybe we
empty,
can try that again. Should I save the file here?
yeah, I'm using only HTTP. We don't need to use HTTP.
Yes.
So I'm checking in my one, it's a HTTP. Okay, we have to restart.
And I think if I remember correctly, when I tried this combination, it might look like it started, but if I was to do status, it would say that it's not running at all. But is there no issues in that log?
Or some other one. The error is there.
Yeah, I think on
But 95465. One is working fine. But because this HTTPS is a secure one. So if it is enabled, if it is asking to make enable, right? So we can, if we remove it, that so I think then it will. Okay, so
from 888.
this is the wave HTTP. So that we have already given, right? Okay.
Mhm.
But HTTPS from to this, they are saying like this is 9443 is the default port. 9443. Okay. So it is giving the same error, right? What you're getting.
Mhm. Oh, there's a line there that says, um, like the fifth one, it says HTTP enabled true. Maybe we can turn.
Oh, this input secure true. This is the secure call. So true to false, right? We don't want to make it secure. So
Okay.
to change secure true true, false. So where is
But
that?
this portion is commented out. So and
No, no,
what?
enable and like by default will be true, right? Even it
Okay.
is not. Okay, so where is you are able to see the properties? Secure,
No, I don't see. I don't
secure,
see it.
yeah, secure,
Keeper.
false. This one. See, it is enabled. It
Okay.
is the client secure. One secure is this. Zookeeper secure. Okay, that is secure.
So protocol.
False. All are false only. So what he said. This is to this one. Like and nifi remote input secure. Nifi remote. That property.
Okay. Okay. So this should be false.
Now your HTTP will not be, this issue will not come. So whatever is coming now, so this will not, so your NiFi will not be secure.
Mm-hmm.
Production or right, some other environment we need to be have a admin part, right? So then need to be secure. But here we can manage it without.
I think this. Yeah. Okay. Also, you tried in your yesterday. You put slash nifi. You also tried slash nifi.
Slash NiFi.
Yes. I think it's slash nifi slash. I think it was what you did.
NiFi.
I can. Yeah. Okay. You got it.
Well, it's starting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it takes time. Sometimes it takes 1 minute or two.
Okay.
First of all, that issue should be resolved.
Could we try with one more slash? I think that's what you had, if I remember correctly.
Okay. HTTP only, no, right? Mm. Yeah, make it slash.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I think yeah. Now it's working.
Okay, so that is the
Okay.
issue, that property, that secure
Yeah.
property.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
The other people gone. So try the examples, okay?
Yeah.
So
Oh, I think you.
the option for the new menu. One template things I will show you. Okay, so how to upload a template. Suppose you have a template and you want to like some flow you want to create from the template. So you have already template. So I'm searching some template. So so template will be a XML file. Okay, and that XML file, once you upload it, it will create a complete flow with the template. Okay, so everything is defined. So every like flow you are creating whenever you are placing the processors, everything. So it will create one template. Okay, so you can give that template to someone and someone can import that template and can create a new flow. So like just example, some template. Okay, so they have given some template example. So just let's say some simple one we take it. This template, copy this template file, this invitation. On this template, okay, let's see first what is inside this template. This template, not coming proper XML, so we are not able to. Okay, let's upload it in the nifi. So here is this template you. This coding. Here is upload. Select template. So I'm going to select the code this time. Template is successfully uploaded. Go to here. So I'm able to see the template here, right? So here, this is the download option.
Arvind, can you show me again where you got the upload there? That option?
So here, when we click on this one. Oh, okay. The upload one option is here.
Yeah.
Upload one is here in the this one, upload. Okay. This is the upload and this is a create template. Suppose this entire I want to create a template. So you can click on this, give some name, my template. You can save your own template and you can get the other one. So now it is saved as a template. Okay, and this template, my template, will be displaying in the list of template. So here two templates are there. One is I created my own one, so I can download option. This is a download option. Okay, and this is the one which I uploaded. Okay, so both are there, right? Okay, now I want to how to, okay. So now once I have a template in my template list, I can use this processor. Then I should use this one and I select here which template. So my template string two templates, right? How many templates you have at present in your nifi, it will be showing on the list. But I want to get this one, right? I select this, add. Then this one, like put Kafka, that is an old processor, right? Okay, now it's a published Kafka. Okay, so that is the reason that 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 whatever the template we are using, that is using the old one. So it is not able to bring that. If you see this error, so whatever Kafka is there, so it is using the put Kafka is not known to this nifi instance. So because our Kafka, the processor name is published Kafka, not put Kafka. Kafka is not there, right? So put Kafka is not there. That is the reason it will not be imported. So it should have the compatibility, right? Your this template, my template which you created, it can be imported again in my nifi, another instance. Okay, but if I'm bringing the template from the outside, okay, so those template should have first compatibility, right? They should have the same component. So let's do another one. One HTTP invoker is there. Invoker HTTP is, suppose you want to read the data from any REST APIs, we can use invoke HTTP one. Okay, on this one. So this is on flow template. Invoke HTTP. Okay. So it came here. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, this one. Um, all you have to remove then only. Is not empty, it will not be deleted. So you have to empty queue. So first make it empty queue, then you can delete this.
Do you have to stop the get file process, or else it tries to like fill the queue again?
So three software are running. You have to- How to stopping? how we do that. So this is the HTTP invoker one. So this is the flow. Okay. So HTTP invoker is basically let's see. Search some Google site. It is like okay. So HTTP invoker is suppose I want to read the data from some APIs, REST API. So I can define. So I can go to the property. Here properties. Some Google API I'm just searching. Or I can give any API, right? Suppose some REST APIs I want to read the data. So I have a one application I will show you later. There is one COVID API data we are reading from the HTTP invoker. This invoke HTTP. So that is reading and writing as a file. And once the file is written, then we use get file processor. Get file processor is reading file and writing to the Kafka topic. And Kafka topic, once it is written, we have a Spark consumer. And Spark consumer is reading those data from the Kafka topic and process the data and write the data to any SQL DB. So that is the entire flow. That is the entire flow pipe. Okay. So here we have this API we are using. So HTTP invoker is basically getting the data from the REST API. So what is this source? So it is just starting off with the data is flowing right here. So getting data. So it is getting data and HTTP status code. So if any API is returning the status code 200, only that data it will take in. It's like a filter. It's like a filter route on the status code. So this processor is basically filtering your request to the only 200 status code. Okay. So 200 status code request it is filtering. And then this is what I'm doing here. I'm is converting the hash value. So there is a MD5 algorithm is there that is converted from there. It is writing. So this particular example is to get the only HTTP requests which are having a status code 200. Okay, because I have put a filter here. So this invoke HTTP status code equal to 200 out, and whatever request comes here, then it is converting into the MD5. So this processor is basically like converting the value is a hash value MD5 value it is converted. branches also are not right. Okay, I will check it. Like this kind of examples are like manipulation, right? So you are reading the data from the some HTTP source, and then you are filter things we can do, right? So filter things we can do, and then we can convert. So there are many processors are there. Okay, we can. This is a hash content is there. Hash content can use any algorithm, SHA-1, SHA-2. Okay, filter one. So filter is a route on content, route on attribute. These are the regex expressions to be lookup record. Like you want to find a particular record in some list of records. So lookup record, deduplicate. Deduplicate is a deleting the record, duplicate record, to delete the duplicate record. Suppose your JSON file has duplicate record. So whatever data is coming, it will delete the record. Okay. So processor are various categories are there. Okay. So we can change the like the processor and we can use it depending on the requirement. So if you want to do this all manipulation in the Spark, we can do in Spark itself, right? Okay, processing logic we can write in the Spark. But here is like when in the here drag and drop, right? Just you have to drop processor and use it and configure it. So mostly you are using the configuration things, just setting the properties. Okay, so record reader and record. So this one process, this properties you have to set it. So just because of the property setting, you can use it in your code. So you can give the less responsibility to your Spark. So you can handle like lot of scenarios. If you have seen the template, there are the various template list is there, right? Okay, so these are the use cases. Okay, so CSV to JSON flow, like you are getting the CSV file. So this thing you can do with the Spark. But if you want to do with the help of template, right? So this it will take input as a CSV and convert to CSV. So this is the one processor. JSON is basically start replacing text, extracting text, replacing text, and then update it. So here it is building the file. In here the code. So we have to attach some processor profile. Give many files here. So some sample data it is using, it is not our own data. But this is converting in the JSON, right? It's converting in the JSON. So I think this particular flow is taking the data. Sample data is taking ABCD replacement value. So it's great. And if I add get file processor here, if I add get file, so I can give my CSV file. what is the output conflict? What is the like, but these are all different types of uh, processor, right? Like how to convert. So it's not only one single processor. There are multiple processors, right? Dividing the complete flow into different parts. Okay. Then it will be good. So if we add our get file and put file, so we can give the input and get the output. Simply. So another one I was talking about the Kafka one. So we have to publish the message to the Kafka and read in the consumer as a Spark consumer. Okay. So we can use the yesterday you seen the topic we are getting the data, right? Same topic, we have to read the data. You try that example. First, what you do, yesterday we did the publish Kafka, right? Get file processor. The two processor you add. One is a get file, okay, which is reading data from the file, get file. And another one is a publish Kafka. Publish Kafka, file six. Okay. These two processor, it will be taking the and here we have to give the topic name. So topic name we have to provide. And we have to start the server. What is the topic name? Verify the topic is this topic we have to provide. What is the okay, so it will be and now we have to start our start we have to start the our price part engine. So here I have to read the data, or it's fine. So here my topic is already given. Okay, so I will just one this. Not started my flow in the night. Waiting to the info. I'm just doing the partition, four columns are there. And last one is the starting the speed. So it will be waiting for the, now we start the our nifi flow. Nifi flow. That you are reading on the right topic. Or it will be the same. It's the right software input selected. Okay. The file is down. It's after their file and input selected. So we can verify with the congeners, the terminal congeners. So, okay, so this is the data key, right? This is the input CSV. The data is there. So that data is coming like partition and the key is null. And this is the data. Okay. So this data I have to, this is single column data. Suppose I want to do word count in this data. So you know already, right? There is a group by, once you have the DF you can do the group by value and count, and then what count you can write into the console. So it will be right. Okay, so try this example. I think it's not difficult. So you will be. Tomorrow I will cover the airflow. Yeah. It is- Okay, so tomorrow I'll start airflow. So you just do the practice of this.
Okay.
I'll share the video in the classroom now. Okay. And share the link of this template. If you find some template you can try, you can import the template in the nice. Okay.
For sure.